Dear Giffin Grip owner, I would like to take the opportunity to thank you for purchasing our product. Great care has been taken in its design and manufacture. Every attempt has been made to give you the perfect product, but the eye grows dull at times and the mind wanders, mistakes get made. If anything is not right or got left out of the box, just let us know. We'll get a replacement part out to you immediately. Thanks again. We think you're going to love it. Love for everyone involved, Ryan Griffin. Nice letter. When I was about 8. Okay, instructions. Registration. Nice instructions. And an envelope. Here we go. Here it is. One, two, three. One, two, three. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so here it is assembled and ready to be mounted onto the wheel that I have. It was really easy to assemble. The instructions are fantastic. I'll just quickly run through what I did. I measured the diameter of my pottery wheel, and that helped me figure out where I had to put the 3 brackets. There's a groove here that tells you exactly where the numbers are. I did have to adjust it once. I checked that it fit nice and snug on my wheel and it was easy to come off. Then I assembled the top and the bottom with the O-ring and put the gliders in, and it turns beautifully. I can't wait to try it out. This is the opening. I'll put a piece of clay or something to trim right there, twist it to secure it, and then it won't move around while I try and trim it. I love it. Can't wait to use it.